Donald Trump has suffered nothing but legal losses in the last 2 years. In fact, the only actual victory that I think he got was recently when the judge awarded him attorney fees from Stormy Daniels over the defamation suit she had filed against him that did not succeed. But other than that, Donald Trump has lost election challenges, he's lost objections to other lawsuits, he's lost appeals, he's lost the ability to hide his tax returns from Congress, he's lost delay tactics in trials, he's lost his bids to keep juries not anonymous, he's lost every single step of the way. But in spite of his countless legal defeats in the last 2 years, Donald Trump decided to wake up early on Monday morning, I think it was 2:30 a.m., and offer his legal advice for Fox News in the Dominion defamation lawsuit trial that is starting today after it was delayed from yesterday for a single day. Here's what Trump put on Truth Social. Again, this was 2:30 a.m. on Monday. If Fox would finally admit that there was a large-scale cheating and irregularities in the 2020 presidential election, which would be a good thing for them and for America, the case against them, which would not have existed at all, would be greatly weakened. Back up those patriots at Fox instead of throwing them under the bus, and they are right. So according to the man who has hired some of the worst attorneys that the United States has to offer, his advice for Fox News fighting a defamation trial is, why don't you just keep lying and then you'll win? Now, I'm not a lawyer, but I gotta say, Fox News, this is great advice. Fox News, please do this. When you walk into that courtroom today, which I guess at this point you've already walked into that courtroom today, I hope you remember these words from Donald Trump, and by God, I want you all to double down on all of those lies that you told that got you sued in the first place. Walk in there defiant, walk in there rude, walk in there getting in that judge's face and just say, you SOB. That's what I want you all to do at Fox News. Please do this. Do exactly this. Because not only will you likely be held in contempt, but you will 100% lose this lawsuit. See, I think here's what Donald Trump seems to forget. Fox News, in the private emails, in the private memos, in the private text messages, in meetings, in all of that has already been revealed, they've all admitted that they knew this was a lie. So, Donald, I don't know why you're coming at them with this particular legal advice right now, because we already have it on the record that they knew none of this was real. So is that why you're doing this, to try to double down on your lie before Fox News has to go into court and admit that it was all a lie? Is that why you're trying to do this, to try to convince the public, hey, don't believe what Fox News' lawyers are about to say? Because this is something, honestly, I hadn't really spent much time thinking about, but when you think about it, this lawsuit, the results of it, whatever comes from it, is not just going to impact Fox News, it's going to impact Donald Trump's election lies. If Dominion prevails and Fox News will have to publicly admit that, yes, none of this was true, then that's actually a very major ding against Donald Trump. So that's why he woke up panicked at 2:30 a.m. to send out this tweet. It's not because he cares about what happens to Fox. It's because he's terrified about what's going to happen to his big lie theory.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.